Turn to your neighbor and say hairline. Y'all, we about to be ignorant on top of ignorant.
Like rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait tight on our leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Hate that, I'ma make you.
I'm really excited about this. Hey, cause hey, it's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with a slate today. Coming to you with a slate today.
Let the church say subscribe.
I got something really cool for y'all today. Now, I don't know if it's gonna turn out right. I'm testing these out. Cause now I'm kind of like feeling the whole 360 sort of thing and all of its benefits. So I'm testing this particular wig out. I don't know how this is gonna end, okay? I really don't.
You think I do? I don't.
And I'm really excited about this. This is from OMG Her Hair. This is their invisible drawstring. Y'all remember that time I did the invisible drawstring? Yes, the invisible drawstring brown ombre fluffy jerry curl fitted glueless 360 HD lace wig. That's a lot, honey. That's a lot. Let's break this down. Invisible drawstring, that little drawstring that fits to the back of your neck. So when you put it up like this, it's a nice fit that is comparable to anybody's head. You know what I'm saying? I think that's so dope. And I'm hoping that more wigs start to infuse that. I'm hoping that this fluffy jerry curl comes at it the way thus saith the Lord. If it does right, we taking flight. Fitted glueless 360. Now, I don't know if I'm gonna do it glueless or not. I don't know. It just depends on how it's sitting. Let me show y'all something. Let me explain something to y'all. You see this right here? Do you see the slope? You remember in math class, you know the equation for slope?
Did y'all talk about that slope?
See, it's a slope right here. So you have to realize most people have a 4 head. Some of us have a 5. Some even a 6 or 7. Huh? I think I'm somewhere around 6.75. Okay? All lace does not fit appropriately across the head the way it's supposed to. It depends. I have 22 inches and 180% density. Medium cap size. Generally, I would be a small. Pre-cut lace. I think they allow you to determine, they allow you to choose the length, the density, the cap size, whether you want pre-cut lace and non-slip silicone. Okay, let's look at this. These are the gifts. A rat tail comb. That looks like a pretty, come on. You want my face so bad. Come on, get the comb. There we go. Rat tail comb. The OMG Her Hair melt band. Okay. We have the HD wig cap. I don't know if I'm going to use this or not, but we have that. Bam. And that is not young Karen. That's a mannequin. That's mannequin Mandy. Okay. They ain't even put a person on there. They got sick of it. Wig bag. So don't get home from a long day at work and flop your wig upon the floor. Put it in the bag. All right. Bye. Okay, let's look at this. Y'all, I feel like this gonna be cute. Okay. Ooh, y'all, look at that hairline. Ooh. Turn to your neighbor and say hairline. Y'all, we about to be ignorant on top of ignorant. Honey, this hair is so pretty. I'm gonna go through it and pop those curls like a real ninja. Y'all, look at that. Look at the ombre color. Look at that chocolate on the bottom. It's chocolate like me, honey. How else y'all want me to approach it other than let's get it popping? Y'all, this is cute. The feel is lovely. This is absolutely human hair. I'm ready to get the styling and profiling. Y'all ready to see what we can do with this? Y'all, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can join the family and join the fun, okay? And if you want to become a channel member, you know what to do. Hit that join button. Don't you go nowhere. Let's see what we can do with this. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Hold a minute.
Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm racing the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. That is real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these ends, building buyers with my friends. I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bush. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait tight on our leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Hate that, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, and off yours. Boss to the floor. It's my time. You was for you, I was for us. You do the math, don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions. I'm still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission, like woo. My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season, like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait tight on our leg for it. Count down for me. 5, 4, 3, 2. I want, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours. Boss to the floor. Ooh, it's my time. Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop top out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low. But I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lie, so fair with it. Let him stare at it. Now I'm prepared. Instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, need me. Timing's right, so right. Our romance to be. Can't deny. Love the things we do when it's just us two. But tonight, baby, need me outside. Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let them catch me. No, I never let them claim me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip, souls on big smiles. Let's hit this lake, stars are in line. I'm posted, lay with me in the moonlight. I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling go. No lie, so bear with it. Yeah, we can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared for instead of love out loud since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight.
Honey, I got what you want. Give me all of your love, 'cause it's burning hot. It's what you do to me, babe, I can guarantee. Honey, I got what you need.